Audi Matrix LED. Statistics show that cars with high-quality headlights have a 19% lower chance of night accidents. Many big car companies focus on making such headlights. Take Audi for instance. They came up with smart Matrix LED headlights that the light based on road curves before you turn on the steering. Will these headlights get info from the GPS, easing the strain on your eyes by tweaking the brightness? The trick is it feels like daytime for the driver. Mercedes-Benz digital light. Another German company, Mercedes, has its own unique lights. They are called Mercedes Digital Light and reacts to traffic changes using smart sensors. They stop you from going the wrong way on a one-way street and entering the oncoming traffic. Plus they activate the high beam over 40 kilometers per hour, but only if no other cars are around. Good headlights also give drivers lights tuning, something crucial. Time in emergencies. Seconds matter, and having more time is key. Even on today's roads, smart cars still end up in accidents. In the US, there was a unique study on traffic accidents. Experts looked into the headlights of the involved cars, finding that drivers with inexpensive headlights got hurt in accidents 30% more often. Laser, xenon, and LED headlights ranked highest for safety, while the ones with cheap halogen bulbs fed the worst. Talking about laser headlights, BMW Laser Light has introduced its version named Laser Light. These German-made lights stand out with 1,000 times more power than many others. In high beam mode, Laser Light lights up a space at up to 600 m, twice as much as standard LED headlights. Similar to Audi and Mercedes headlights, BMW's lights come with smart tech to avoid blinding other drivers and adjust for the best lighting in corners. Plus, Laser Light is more compact and uses 30% less electricity than headlights. No fancy factory lights on. Laser Grille Integration Kit. Your car, no worries, this kit's got you covered for better road visibility. It works for various vehicles and packs too. Try our 750 headlights along with mounting bracket and wiring, lighting up over 1.3 km. The headlamp housings are UV and weather resistant, plus they can handle some chemicals with a 5-year warranty. The whole kit sells for $1,026. Morimoto Super 7 corners. If your Jeep still rocks its factory headlights, Morimoto Super 7 suggests it's time for an upgrade. Good news, you won't need to be a car expert to handle it. Installing Morimoto Super 7 is pretty straightforward. Just be ready to shell out $551 for a pair. For comparison, a few years back, a Chonglu electric car cost $900. Now back to the headlights. It's a LED version that fits seamlessly with Jeep's factory connectors. It comes with top-notch LED chip cooling, aluminum radiators, and UV-coated polycarbonate lenses, keeping those headlights looking new for longer. SOS Lab. South Korean company SOS Lab is a LiDAR development expert partnering with industry giants like Hyundai. One of their projects involves LiDAR without any moving parts. At CES 2023, they showcased a LiDAR integrated into brake lights, projecting images to monitors. The LiDAR is super precise with a margin of only 30 millimeters, scanning up to 25 times a second. Plus, it's the most straightforward LiDAR in the world, promising simple mass production. Meanwhile, ARB sells extra ARB intensity light bar lighting based on practical facts. Sufficient and well-focused light means less driver fatigue and better reactions on the road. So the AR40 light panels make for a sensible by their tough enough to handle immersion up to 3 m and efficient, directing 93% of diode emitted light onto the road. ARB addresses color adjusting by offering black and amber covers alongside transparent protective ones. Each panel comes with a price tag of $662 for off-road adventures. Oracle integrated windshield roof LED light bar system lighting steps, and they've got an LED panel tailored for the 2021 Ford Bronco, countering darkness up to about 600. Rigid Reflect. Meet Rigid Reflect, the market's first hybrid rear view mirror and auxiliary lights. As claimed named by its manufacturers, initially crafted for buggies and ATVs. This innovation has found its way into the automotive market with off-road vehicle enthusiasts seamlessly integrating it into their cars. Kit conveniently comes with all the necessary mounting hardware described as capable of shining at 131 m. The rigid Series Pro fog white pair. Check out these LED fog lights, a prime example of a simple design concealing a clever concept. First of all, their reliability is top-notch, backed by a limited lifetime warranty, plus the lights boast a thermal management system that makes them effective in temperatures ranging from 63 to -40 degrees. See, adding to their charm, they're vented to balance pressure, preventing any fogging up. On top of that, they come with protection against radio disturbance and electromagnetic interference. It's no wonder that they can keep going for a whopping 50,000 hours. You can get a pair of these lights for yellow LED fog light kit, $412. Speaking of fog lights, here's a driver's dilemma: are white or yellow fog lights more effective? The internet is buzzing with debates on this, so our video comments section is likely to witness some lively discussions. Some argue that yellow is a relic from the era of incandescent bulbs, while others contend that this specific yellow hue in fog lamps avoids blinding drivers in rain, fog, and snow and doesn't cause glare on wet roads. Spruce up your Mercedes interior. Active ambient light with Helios Auto's lighting system comes with 64 colors and various light zones, offering different lighting effects through different operating modes. Plus, you get rotating speakers thrown in for added enjoyment. Starry sky. You don't need a Mercedes for this system. It fits any car, letting you dazzle your passengers with a starry sky illumination, whether the real stars are obscured by clouds or lost in city lights. You can create a romantic vibe inside your car, all thanks to 100 LEDs, giving you the choice of stars, constellations, and cool effects like falling comets. Wrapping up our lineup is another Morimoto XB LED side marker lights. Morimoto upgrade for certain Jeeps. Crafted by Morimoto team, it swaps out the ventilation inserts with this lighting feature. It links up with the regular